Mathaine ma thaa ithano cia utuku muthi wa kana nene cia mwaki iraririmbũka na gucina nyumba ya toro ya arutwo a thukuru wa Hillside, nyumba iria irari na arutwo 152. Kuringana na thirikari, gatagati ka acio 16 magikua hau guku nake umwe agikua kihanyukio thibitari-ini na ungi agikua akiamukira urigiti thibitari-ini na gukinyiria namba ya arutwo nginya 18. Angi 27 magitengerio kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini itiganite na atatu gatagati kao marathi na mbere na kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini wa Kenyatta Annex Othaya. Murutwo umwe agitengerio kwamukira urigiti wa mwanya thibitari-ini munene wa Kenyatta.
And I would want to thank the governor once again because he activated the medical team and they've been able to deal with the situations for those who needed urgent medical attention. All our children will go through the hospital that the governor will be telling us which hospital so that they can be assessed before they go home.
Gukiria uguo ni kuri na arutwo mataramenyeka kuria mari nginyagia riu riri mihango ya kumetha igithie na mbere. Munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua na atongoria angi magikinyia thukuru-ini uyu na kwanirira uthuthuria baranginyo ni ugwikwo na mundu wothe ukuonekana mahitia agitacokirio makinya ma kiwatho.
Haki itafanywa na lazima, ili haki ifanywe tujue nini kilitendeka. Kwa hivyo team ama maafisa kutoka idara mbalimbali zinazohusika wako hapa, watafanya hiyo kazi na mwishowe tutajua kilichofanyika, na kama kuna mtu yeyote ako na hatia mkondo wa sheria utafuatwa.
Every child who went through this trauma will go through Mount Kenya. If you have observed that right here we already have the county team working very closely with the Red Cross, so that we are able to take almost everyone through counseling. There are also triage being done to see whether there are some of the pupils who may need urgent attention.
Kuratuika mageria ma kuhoria mwaki uyu ni ngari cia mwaki cia kuhoria mwaki cia Kiawara ni mararemire, no ende ngari ya kuhoria mwaki kuma Nyeri niyo irautorithia mathaine maigano na thutha ucio.
Pia ningependa kushukuru members of the public wale ambao walitokea hapa na wakakuja kusima ile moto iliweza kusimwa. Vile situation iko pale, kama vile mnaona hiyo dormitory ya boys ilikuwa na wanafunzi around 152 ambao walikuwa pale ndani.
I want to commit that President William Ruto has ordered expeditious investigations, and that is ongoing on, and when the report is ready, as a government we shall make the report public, so that we can also find out what happened, what caused the fire, what could have gone wrong. But I would want at this situation not to have any guesswork, not to impute any improper motive. We just let the investigation agencies to do their work.
Ona thirikari ikiuga ni gutigirira ni atabania uthuthuria baranginyo, aciari ni moritie gutaririo niki kirahanikire. Ngiribotera Inooro TV kuma kaunti ya Nyeri, njeta Theuri wa Mbogo.